Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to clone your voice with AI. So, let's get started. You can create your cloned voice with any voice clone AI you like. In this video, we are going with Speechify. Go to speechify.com and sign into it. Go to the AI voice generator section. Drag your cursor at the voice clone option and tap on it. Next, click on the Try Voice Cloning option. Click on the Import My Voice option. On the pop-up screen, you can choose the Start Recording option or Choose File option to import your recorded voice. Click on the Choose File option, locate the voice you want to import, and click on it. Next, enter your name in the box and click Agree and Continue. Your voice is cloned and the sample file is uploaded. Finally, click on the Generate Audio button. The system will take some time to process your voice and will generate your voice clone. After processing, listen to the generated voice to ensure it matches your expectations. Once you're satisfied, you can download your cloned voice and you can share it as well. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.